Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the most romantic poets or lyricists in the Hindi film industry. Iqbal Hussain, or as he was better known by his takallus or pen name, Hasrat Jaipuri. Hasrat Jaipuri was born on April 15, 1922. His parents were very loving, encouraging him in, all his studies and his endeavors. His paternal grandfather, Fida Hussain Fida, who was a great poet himself, helped this young man hone his skills in poetry and become a more polished poet. He also educated him in Urdu and in Persian. When he was about 15, 16, he fell in love with his neighbor from across the street, a girl called Radha. Hasrat Saab would always say that love has no kind of boundaries of, religion or caste or status or any such thing. So he used to write poetry for her. In fact, she was the first person he wrote poetry for. And as their, love for each other progressed, she wanted him to achieve something before, he got serious about his relationship with her. So he moved to Mumbai and he became a conductor for the buses in the Bombay bus company, Best. For 8 years, he worked as a bus conductor. He didn't let his poetry slide, though. He would continue to write poetry. He attended a lot of mushairas in Bombay and other places. And according to him, he let all the pretty girls who would come on his bus, in his, his bus route, he would let them ride for free because he said, "You are so beautiful, you are giving me so much happiness by just looking at your face. I cannot, in all honesty, charge you any money." That's how much of a romantic he was. So for my first song today, I'm sharing one that he wrote for the movie Sehra. It was a V. Shantaram movie. It starred his wife Sandhya and Prashant in the lead. A story of family feuds that happened in Rajasthan. And this particular duet, it's a very, very sweet, romantic duet between the couple. And the music was composed by Ramlal. Hasrat Saab's lyrics, Rafi Saab, Lata ji singing the song from Sehra, Tum to pyar ho sajna.
Tum to pyar ho sajna, tum to pyar ho, mujhe tumse pyara aur na koi, tum to pyar ho
तो प्यार हो सजनी, तुम तो प्यार हो, मुझे तुमसे प्यारा और न कोई, तुम तो प्यार हो। अंबर पे तारे जितने इतना समझ लो,
मेरी कसम,
तेरी कसम, तेरी याद मुझे लूटे,
कसमें तो खाने वाले होते हैं झूठे, चलो जाओ, हटो जाओ, दिल का दामन छोड़ो,
तुम तो प्यार हो सजनी, तुम तो प्यार हो। मुझे तुमसे प्यारा और न कोई, तुम तो प्यार हो.
As I said, Hasrat Saab kept up with his poetry and and he shared his poetry too at all these mushairas. He lived on the footpath for many years in Bombay, and he made friends with all the other footpath dwellers. And he was particularly close to this one man who was a laborer, and he actually slept right next to Hasratji. And one of these days, when they were living there, this laborer died. Hasratji was extremely moved by how difficult it was to conduct the last rites for this poor man. He wrote a poem about it called Mazdoor Ki Lash, or the corpse of the laborer. And he presented this at a mushaira where Prithviraj Kapoor happened to be present. Prithviraj Kapoor was extremely impressed by this young man, and he recommended him to his son Raj Kapoor, who was at that point making Barsat. Raj Kapoor, once he started his own RK banner, he wanted to have his own musical team as well. He wanted to, establish all these various movie making teams for himself. He had already hired Shankar Jaikishan to make music, and so he talked to Hasratji and hired him as the lyricist. And then towards, I think, almost the end of the musical recording, he met Shailendraji and hired him as well. He wrote one song for the movie, the title song. So this song that I want to share today, it's the first recorded song of Hasrat Jaipuri, sung by Lata ji from Barsat, Jiya Bekarar Hai.
जिया बेकरार है, छाई बहार है, आजा मोरे बालमा तेरा इंतजार है. जिया बेकरार है, छाई बहार है, आजा मोरे बालमा तेरा इंतजार है. सूरज देखे चंदा देखे सब देखे हम तरसे हो, सब देखे हम तरसे. सूरज देखे चंदा देखे सब देखे हम तरसे हो, सब देखे हम तरसे. जैसे बरसे कोई बदरिया ऐसे अखियां बरसे, जैसे बरसे कोई बदरिया ऐसे अखियां बरसे, ऐसे अखियां बरसे. जिया बेकरार है, छाई बहार है, आजा मोरे बालमा तेरा इंतजार है. जिया बेकरार है. मिट्टी में मिल जाए हो, मिट्टी में मिल जाए. नैनों से एक तारा टूटे मिट्टी में मिल जाए हो, मिट्टी में मिल जाए. आंसू की बरसात बलमुआ दिल में आग लगाए, आंसू की बरसात बलमुआ दिल में आग लगाए, दिल में आग लगाए. जिया बेकरार है, छाई बहार है, आजा मोरे बालमा तेरा इंतजार है. जिया बेकरार.
Hasrat ji was a very lively, cheerful man, and as I said before, he started writing shares for his girlfriend Radha. One of the first shares that he wrote for her was "ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र पढ़कर तुम नाराज ना होना कि तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो, तुम मेरी बंदगी हो." He was telling Raj Kapoor about this story, and he quoted this share, and Raj Kapoor was so taken by it. He said, "Don't give this song to anybody, expand on it. I'm making a movie called Sangam, and my heroine's name is Radha in the movie, so I want to use this song for her." So Hasrat ji finally actually got to have a song for a different Radha recorded, which had been written by him. He also composed for a lot of other music directors, not just Shankar Jaikishan. There was no exclusivity with their pairing. Shailendra ji too, he wrote for many other music directors as well. And one of the music directors that he wrote for was Vasant Desai. He wrote a very, very beautiful set of scores for Jhanak Jhanak Payal Baje, another V. Shantaram movie, filled with absolutely exquisite dancers. You had Gopi Krishna and V. Shantaram's wife Sandhya in the lead, both excellent dancers who really went above and beyond for this movie. This is a very sweet duet, Lata ji Hemant da, from Jhanak Jhanak Payal Baje, Nain So Nain Nahi Milao.
नैन सो नैन नाही मिलाओ, नैन सो नैन नाही मिलाओ, देखत सूरत आवत लाज
से प्यार आके सजाओ, मधुर मिलन गावत आज गुइया।
नैन सो नैन नाही मिलाओ, नैन सो नैन।
तुमने चोरी कर ली कमान, कैसे मारूं प्रीत का बान गुइया।
नैन सो नैन नाही मिलाओ, नैन सो नैन।
Hasrat ji got married very late for his times. He was 35 when he got married. He got married to a lady called Bilkis Begum. She was a very, very intelligent lady and very business savvy. She influenced him to invest in a lot of real estate in Mumbai. And this turned out to be extremely good because he was not under financial pressure when he had to write lyrics. He was comfortably off for the rest of his life, actually, and he managed to get his children educated in a very good manner and had them settle down in good professions. He had 3 children, Akhtar and Kishwar, a daughter, and Asif. In 1961, right around the time of the birth of his oldest son, Akhtar, Shankar Jaikishan were composing music for a movie called Sasural. Rajendra Kumar B. Saroja Devi in the lead. Jaikishan wanted a very romantic song written in praise of the beauty of the heroine. So Hasrat ji was tasked with writing this particular song. At that time, he received the news that his son had been born, and so he went with Jaikishan ji to the hospital to see the baby. So when he saw the baby, he found him very, very cute, and he said, "Teri pyari surat ko kisi ki nazar na lage, chashme baddur." Jaikishan, when he heard that line, was so savvy. He said, "This is an awesome catchphrase for this song. Expand on this and continue in this vein and write that song." So that's how this song from Sasural was composed. तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दूर, sung beautifully by Rafi साहब.
तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दूर। तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दूर। मुखड़े को छुपा लो आंचल में, कहीं मेरी नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू। मुखड़े को छुपा लो आंचल में, कहीं मेरी नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू। अकेले फिरा करो, सबकी नजर से डरा करो। यूं न अकेले फिरा करो, सबकी नजर से डरा करो। फूल से ज्यादा नाजुक हो तुम, चाल संभल कर चला करो। जुल्फों को गिरा लो गालों पर, मौसम की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू। तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू। झलक जो पाता है, राही वहीं रुक जाता है। एक झलक जो पाता है, राही वहीं रुक जाता है। देख के तेरा रूप सलोना, चांद भी सर को झुकाता है। देखा न करो तुम आईना, कहीं खुद की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू।
Hasrat Ji won his first Filmfare Award for the song Baharon Phool Barsao from the movie Suraj. The year after that, he wrote lyrics for O.P. Nair for the movie Hamsaya. This was a Joy Mukherjee production. Joy Mukherjee, Mala Sinha and Sharmila Tagore in the lead. The story was very, well, not unusual for a Hindi movie. Crazy story, right? A spy story, Indo-China, aggression and so on happening. And there's plastic surgery involved where the Chinese spy has his face altered to look like an Indian prince, and so many convoluted kind of plot twists and stuff. I loved the movie. It was great fun. Unfortunately, the audience didn't take to it. It was a massive flop and nearly bankrupted Joy Mukherjee, poor thing. In the movie, Mala Sinha plays the wife of the Chinese spy. So she's Chinese and she's come from China to India on some kind of a diplomatic mission, and she is performing with her song and dance troupe. So she sings this song because she's so happy she's going to see her husband, who is on the spy mission in India. And so she sings this song on stage when she sees him in the audience, or who she thinks is her husband. Asha Ji has sung this song from the movie Hamsaya. Kitna hasi hai ye jahan.
कितना हंसी है ये जहां, आँखों से बरसे मस्तियाँ, बरसों की प्यास बुझी है, उल्फत भी नाच उठी है, देखा तुम्हें जो मेरी जान। कितना हंसी है ये जहां, आँखों से बरसे मस्तियाँ, बरसों की प्यास बुझी है, उल्फत भी नाच उठी है, देखा तुम्हें जो मेरी जान। कितना कितना हंसी है ये जहां। लाखों सितारे थे हैरान, ढूंढे थे सातों आसमान, लाखों सितारे थे हैरान, खोया था प्यार मिल गया, देखो जी देखो मेहरबान, कितना हंसी है ये जहां, बरसे मस्तियाँ, बरसों की प्यास बुझी है, उल्फत भी नाच उठी है, तो देखा तुमने जो मेरी जान, कितना हंसी है ये जहां, आँखों से बरसे मस्तियाँ, बरसों की प्यास बुझी है, उल्फत भी नाच उठी है, देखा तुम्हें जो मेरी जान, कितना हंसी है ये जहां।
Hasrat Ji was a very contented man. He, led a very peaceful life, took care of his family very well, and so on. His writing sort of started declining in the sense, I'm not saying the quality of his writing started declining. That didn't happen. It's just that he didn't get as many offers after the whole Shankar Jaikishan, Shailendra and his partnership kind of fell apart. Shailendra ji passed away unexpectedly. And then in 71, Jaikishan died very suddenly. And then Raj Kapoor didn't particularly want Shankar composing music for him. So he went with Lakshmikant Pyarelal, who had Anand Bakshi and other writers write for them. So Hasrat Jaipuri started writing for different music directors, but there wasn't that much demand for his style of writing, unfortunately, as the Angry Young Man theme and other kind of different non-romantic kind of themes started to come up, through the 80s and 90s. He did write fairly steadily all through the 90s. His last song was for a movie called Hatya, the Murder, which came out in 2004, well after he passed away. He passed away September 1999. For my last song for today, I want to share a very peppy, fun number from the movie Prince, which starred Shammi Kapoor and Vaijayanthimala. Hasrat Ji says that he came up with the beginning of this song when he was either in London or in Paris. He was attending a show with Jaikishan again. And this woman walked by who was wearing a very sparkly dress. And she walked past them and moved away. So as she was walking away, Hasrat Ji said, "Badan pe sitare lapete hue, o jane tamanna kidhar ja rahi ho, zara paas aao to chain aa jaye." And Jaikishan again, of course, recognizing this absolutely fabulous beginning, said, "Hey, you know what? You can compose a song based on this mukhda for the movie Prince." And he did, of course. Rafi Saab singing it so peppily and, very dashingly for Shammi, while Vaijayanthimala is dancing around the room with Ajit Saab of all people. But it's a great song. So from Prince, Badan pe sitare lapete hue.
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन ना जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन ना जाए। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जान तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन ना जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन ना जाए। हमें जब न होंगे तो ऐ दिलरुबा, किसे देख कर हाय शर्माओगी, न देखोगी फिर तुम कभी आईना, हमारे बिना रोज घबराओगी। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जान तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन ना जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन ना जाए।
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know there isn't a lot of material out there about Hasrat Ji other than, you know, all his incredibly beautiful music. I'll come back with another episode on him and focus solely on the different songs that he's written and maybe have more songs and more material about the movies he wrote for. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.